Okay, hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the Association for Women in Mathematics. The purpose of this organization is to encourage women and girls to study and to have active careers in mathematical sciences and to promote equal opportunity and equal treatment of women and girls in mathematical sciences. So on the homepage, there are a lot of useful resources, such as announcements. And here you can see all of the different speakers and conferences that are going on, and also events going on, such as the 2018 essay contest. If you keep scrolling, you'll find a link to their Twitter. Here you can see some of the most recent tweets, or you can click on the link that will take you directly to their Twitter, where you can follow them and have quick updates about everything going on in the organization. If you scroll up to membership and donations, it will explain a little bit more about what you get as a member. One of the benefits is that knowing that all of your dues that you contribute to the organization are used to help sponsor programs that will encourage girls and women to study mathematics and have active careers in the field. Your dues and donations give these females the opportunity to learn and grow. If you go to the individual membership section, you will see that as a member, you get a lot of benefits, such as an electronic version of the newsletter and discounted registration for all of the conferences. If you go to AWM programs here on the left, you can see another bunch of benefits that come from being a member, such as all these conferences and travel grants, which is great because travel is expensive, and then also lectures, mentoring and community involvement, and different awards and prizes. The awards and prizes, if you just click on them, it will show you anything about the award and how you can be nominated to receive the award.
All right, how to become a member. If you go and click on membership and donations, here you got different statuses of people who want to join and be a member. If you're interested in becoming an AWM member, the standard membership rate is $70. However, first-time members get a reduced first-year rate of $35. The AWM also provides reduced rates for part-time employed and retired at $30, additional family members at $35, and students and unemployed at $20. There's also a contributing membership, which is $160, and it includes nominating a student for a free membership in AWM. The AWM also offers an outreach membership to developing national at $10 and different category memberships to institutions. AWM's membership is per year and goes from October 1st to September 30th. Membership is not restricted to women. Men can and are encouraged to join. AWM also accepts contributions and donations, which are used to help exciting programs that encourage girls and women to study mathematics. All right, some useful resources. If you click on the teacher partnerships, this resource is intended to link teachers of mathematics in schools, museums, technical institutes, two-year colleges, and universities with other teachers working in an environment different from their own, with mathematics working in business, government, and industry. The participants' activities include teaching projects, electronic communication, classroom visits when feasible, and outside of the classroom activities in mathematics. The teacher partnerships can be viewed electronically on the AWM website. Another resource is the AWM newsletter. One key resource is the AWM newsletter and is available as part of the membership. The AWM newsletter is issued 6 times per year or bi-monthly at the beginning of January, March, May, July, September, and November. The newsletters can be reviewed electronically on the AWM website. These newsletters contain information, articles, book reviews, and accounts for upcoming events or interests, as well as job opportunities. And then the following resource is the Mentor Network. Another resource is the Mentor Network. The intent of the network is to match mentors with those interested in pursuing careers in mathematics. The goal is to link mentors with a variety of groups: recent PhDs, graduate students, undergraduate students, high school and grade school students, and teachers. Matching is based on common interests within the mathematical fields.
So when you click on the Parents and Teachers tab, a whole host of resources come up, including ways to connect with fellow teachers and the mentor-mentee programs, like Joel said. Also, resources for students and families, as well as teachers, can be found. Various events and opportunities are listed, such as summer programs for teachers and math circles for K-12 students. However, the resource I will be focusing on consists of the scholarships, grants, and fellowships. Here, the Association for Women in Mathematics has compiled a list of potentially useful awards for teachers. The purpose of this resource is to provide the opportunity for teachers who don't always have the most money to spend in development in the field to do research, attend conferences, and participate in summer fellowships. While some awards are exclusively for members, others are open to the general public and can enable teachers to have experiences they would not otherwise have had. Specific times this resource might be used would be if a teacher needs professional development hours to maintain licensure, which all teachers do, so you will have need of this resource and the money it gives you for pursuing PD, or if a teacher is particularly interested in research. There are awards for teachers who work in high-need schools, and there are travel grants that would allow teachers to go to other countries to teach. Well, not all of these resources are through the AWM. For example, the NCTM scholarships are also listed, but the list is a useful resource because it congregates multiple opportunities into one helpful site. One example of an award we could use would be the Robert Noyce Teacher Scholarship Program. This scholarship could be used right now for us or for a master's degree. This program provides funding to scholarships, stipends, and programmatic support to recruit, and prepare STEM majors and professionals to become K-12 teachers. Scholarship and stipend recipients are required to complete 2 years of teaching in a high-need school district for each year of support. The program seeks to increase the number of K-12 teachers with strong STEM content knowledge who teach in high-need school districts. If you ever have the desire to be paid for what you already should be doing, keeping current on professional development, research, other ways of self-betterment, or if you plan on teaching in a high-need school district, why not be paid for it? Well, then applying for one of these awards would be a helpful resource and opportunity. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Now you know some information, tips, and resources you can find on the website for the Association for Women in Mathematics.